Hello students, I am Rachna. Today we are going to discuss about linear equation in one variable. But before that, let's discuss some terms related to it. First is algebraic expression. An expression involving a constant variable and some operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication is called an algebraic expression. A variable. A variable is an unknown number and generally we represent it by letter X, Y, and N, and A we can represent it by a letter. A constant. A number without variable is called constant, and a number followed by variable is called a coefficient. Any number and variable separated by some operator is called a term. In this example, here this 2 is a constant and this 7 is coefficient. As it followed by a variable, so this number is the coefficient of variable n and this is the constant. And here we have two terms as it's separated by a plus. This plus is an operator and these two terms are separated by this plus sign. So here we have two terms 7n and 2. Now, what is an equation? A statement which says that two expressions are equal is called an equation. This is an equation. Here we have two expressions, 4x minus 7 and 5. These are separated by equal sign. So it is an equation. In this, we have x variable and this 4 is coefficient of x. This 7 is constant term and this 5 is also a constant term. Now, what is a linear expression? A linear expression is an expression whose highest power of variable is only 1. For example, 2x plus 5, it is a linear equation as highest power of variable is 1 here. So it is a linear expression. This 3y is also a linear equation as highest power of variable is 1. The expression like x square plus 1, z square plus 2z plus 3 are not linear expression as their highest power of variable is greater than 1. Here we have 2 as power of variable. So it as it has 2 degree, so it is not a linear expression. We can say it is an algebraic expression but not a linear expression. In this, similarly in this example, we have 2 as degree of z, so it is not a linear expression. It is also a algebraic expression. For linear expression, power of variable should be 1. An equation of a straight line is a linear equation. It could be in one variable or it could be in two variable. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about linear equation in one variable. If there is only one variable in equation, then it is called linear equation in one variable. The general form of linear equation is ax plus b is equal to c, where a, b, c are real numbers. Then now what are real numbers? Any point on a number line is called a real number. Any number on number line, whether it is integer, whole number, rational number, irrational number, any point on number line is called a real number. So here a, b, c are real number and this x is a variable. This is the general form of linear equation. here a cannot be equal to 0. If a is 0, then this term becomes 0 and only constant term will left. So this uh, this is not a linear expression. For example, x plus 5 is equal to 10. This is a linear equation. Here x is a variable. These are called linear equation in one variable, as the highest power is 1 and here is only one variable, so it is linear equation in one variable. If it is having two variable like this, x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus y, so it will become linear equation in two variable. X minus 3 is equal to 19. It is also a linear equation in one variable. Here power of degree of variable is 1 and it is also having only one variable. So it is linear equation in one variable. Now there is an equality sign in linear equation. The expression on left of equal sign is called left hand side and expression on right hand side is called right hand side of a equation. In linear equation, left hand side and right hand side equal, but this happens for some values only, as these values are the solution of linear equation. It means for some values left hand side and right hand sides are the for some values left hand side and right hand side are equal, and those values are called the solution of linear equation. Now how we can represent a linear equation on a number line? We can mark point of linear equation in one variable on number line. Suppose x is equal to 2. We can represent it like this. This is x equal to 2. This is x is equal to minus 1. This is x equal to minus 3. Like this we can represent linear equation on number line. There are different methods of solving linear equation. First is balancing method. In this, we have to add and subtract with same number on both sides without disturbing the balance of equation. For example, if we want to solve 3x minus 10 is equal to 14. Here we want to find out third. We have to add or subtract same number on both sides, so that we have to add or subtract same number on both sides without disturbing the balance of equation. So for to solve this equation, we have to add 10 on both sides. This equation becomes 3x minus 10 plus 10. This minus 10 is cancelled by plus 10, and in right hand side we got 10 plus 14. This will become 3x is equal to 24. Further, to balance this equation, we have to divide this equation by 3. So here we got this 3 is cancelled by 3, and here we got 24 by 3. Here we got x is equal to 8. This is the solution of equation. For this value of x, this this left hand side equal to right hand side. You can check it. Now another method is transposing method. In this method, we need to transfer the constant and variable from one side to another until we get the solution. We have to transfer constant and variable from one side to another side till we get the solution. For example, first we have to find the solution for 2z plus 10 is equals to 4. here we want to solve this equation for z. For this, what we have to do? Transpose 10 from left hand side to right hand side, so that constant constant values comes in one side. Transpose the terms from one side to another, the sign will get changed. So this plus will convert it into minus sign. So here we got 2z is equals to minus 6. Further divide this equation by 2, or you can transpose this 2 by 2 to the right hand side. Here in this side, it is in multiplication. If we transfer it to right hand side, it will divide this number. Okay, so here we got minus 3 as the value of z. Put this value in the equation. For this value, left hand side equal to the right hand side. Now try to solve these questions, and if there is a problem, get back to me. Thank you all of you.